For centuries, the heavens were perfect, unchanging. Then, in 1572, a new star appeared. This wasn't just a bright speck. It was a cosmic anomaly that directly challenged nearly 2 millennia of astronomical dogma. Its sudden, brilliant appearance ripped a hole in the fabric of accepted knowledge, forcing a complete re-evaluation of humanity's place in the universe. Before 1572, the prevailing model of the cosmos, largely based on Aristotle and Ptolemy, declared the celestial sphere to be immutable. Stars were fixed, eternal points of light, embedded in crystalline orbs that revolved around a stationary Earth. Change in this view was reserved for the imperfect, corruptible realm below the moon. Above it, the heavens were a realm of divine, unchanging perfection. This belief wasn't merely scientific, it was deeply interwoven with philosophy and theology. Then came November 11th, 1572. On that night, a new star blazed forth in the constellation Cassiopeia. It wasn't a comet, which moved, nor a planet, which followed predictable paths. This was something entirely different. Many observed it, from common folk to court astronomers, but it was a young Danish nobleman, Tycho, who would immortalize this celestial visitor and forever link his name to its profound implications. Tycho, just 26 years old, was returning home from his uncle's house in Denmark when he spotted the star. Initially, he thought he knew the constellation well enough to dismiss it as an illusion, but its undeniable brightness persisted. He famously described himself as being struck with wonder and astonishment. This wasn't merely a personal observation, it was a profound scientific challenge that would consume him. Over the next year and a half, the new star, or stellar nova as he called it, became brighter than Venus, visible even in broad daylight, before slowly fading from view by March 1574. Tycho, a meticulous observer, immediately set about making precise measurements. Crucially, he tried to determine its parallax, the apparent shift in an object's position when viewed from different angles. For objects within the moon's orbit, like comets or planets, parallax is measurable. But Tycho, using his incredibly accurate instruments, found no detectable parallax for his new star. This meant the star had to be beyond the moon, in the supposedly immutable celestial sphere. This single, irrefutable observation shattered the Aristotelian model. It wasn't a change in the sublunar realm, it was a change in the heavens themselves. The perfect, unchanging cosmos was, in fact, dynamic, capable of birth and death. Tycho published his findings in 1573 in a book titled De Nova Stella, or Concerning the New Star. This wasn't just a scientific paper, it was a philosophical balm. His work, grounded in precise observation rather than ancient texts, marked a pivotal shift in scientific methodology. It championed empirical evidence over dogma, laying groundwork for future scientific revolutions. The new star we now call Tycho's supernova was, in reality, the explosive death of a white dwarf star triggered by accretion from a companion star. A type Ia supernova, one of the most powerful events in the universe. Its light took roughly 500 years to reach Earth, meaning the star actually exploded around 900 BC. The 1572 observation was merely the moment its ancient light finally arrived. The supernova remnant, a glowing cloud of gas and dust, can still be observed today. It's a testament to the enduring legacy of this cosmic event and Tycho's groundbreaking work. Tycho's supernova didn't single-handedly overthrow geocentrism, but it certainly cracked its foundation. It inspired later giants like Johannes Kepler and Galileo Galilei to question established norms. Kepler, who would later work with Tycho's data, used accurate observations to formulate his laws of planetary motion, paving the way for a heliocentric universe centered on the Sun. Galileo, with his telescope, would confirm many of these ideas, observing Jupiter's moons and the phases of Venus, further cementing the idea of a dynamic, heliocentric cosmos. The 1572 supernova wasn't just an astronomical event, it was a cultural and intellectual earthquake. It showed that the universe was far more complex, violent, and beautiful than anyone had dared to imagine. It transformed the very concept of the cosmos from a static, divine machine into a dynamic, evolving arena of cosmic forces. It was a crucial step towards modern astrophysics and our understanding of stellar evolution. Today, we stand on the shoulders of giants like Tycho Brahe, who, through meticulous observation and intellectual courage, dared to challenge the prevailing wisdom and opened humanity's eyes to the true wonders of the universe. The Tycho supernova remains a powerful reminder that sometimes the most profound changes in human understanding begin with a single, unexpected light in the night sky. Next, let's explore the cosmic ghost of another supernova, Cassiopeia A.